Hey everyone, Dr. FJ. So you're dealing with dizziness, vertigo, anxiety, brain fog, fatigue, gut issues. You've been to doctors, medical doctors, you've had all these test scans, everything's negative. So they're telling you you're normal, yet you feel miserable. How can this happen? Modern world, all this technology. The reason is very few people do upper cervical chiropractic. Very few people are trained to take the right x-rays and be able to analyze those x-rays. And what can happen when your head and neck alignment is off is you can get pressure on the brainstem. You can get a stretching of the vagus nerve. You can get blood drainage from the skull gets reduced. CSF flow to and from the skull gets reduced. And it can create these problems. So you can get a disconnect between your visual, vestibular, and proprioceptive inputs. So all those muscles in the back of your neck. And a lot of times you'll have all those symptoms, and then you also have this knot in your neck or a neck pain that just won't go away. That's a great sign that you need to go see an upper cervical chiropractor. So can there be other causes of dizziness and vertigo? Of course there can be. But if you've had all those tests and scans and everything's negative, and you're having all those other issues, because that vagus nerve stretching can create those gut issues. You can get that fight or flight response, which can create this anxiety. And lots of times the visual stimulation will create anxiety, and you don't understand why. It's because your body's so dependent on that. So if you're having all those issues, the anxiety, the vertigo, the dizziness, the gut issues, the chronic fatigue, the brain fog, get checked by an upper cervical chiropractor. We are seeing so many of these cases these last few years, and I've talked to other upper cervical chiropractors. They're seeing a ton of these cases. So if you're having those symptoms, get checked. Don't give up. Please get checked. It could completely change your life, and you could get back to living your life again.